Oh hey, didn't see that. So it's that time of season again. New year, new me. New Year's resolutions going on. Past few years, I've been doing just a resolution that cuts out something for the month of January. First year was alcohol. Next year was chocolate. And what I do is I replace it with something positive like fitness, hiking, reading, just anything that replaces the negative activity with something positive and something with growth potential. It's a lot easier doing 30 days. There's an end to it. It's not dreadful. You know that you just have to do it for the month of January, and after that, honestly, the year that I cut out alcohol, I was drinking a lot of it for the few years before that. And after doing the month of January, I probably drank on a few occasions throughout the rest of the year. So it practically turns into a New Year's resolution. I can't say the same about chocolate. That's way too much of an addiction. I don't think I'll ever stop eating chocolate. It just can't be done. This year, I am doing caffeine in the morning, no coffee, which is going to be pretty tough, but we'll get over it. It's supposed to be hard. If it's not hard, it's not fun. And I'm replacing that with waking up early. So two birds with one stone in the same category. I'm going to start waking up a lot earlier and start drinking a lot less caffeine. So probably getting a lot better sleep, I would imagine. So I'm excited. If you want to take the tip, take the tip. If you don't, do your New Year's. Good luck, 365. I believe in you. Try the 30, and there's an